Salaam alaikum, sister. Alaikum salam. What you are doing? Look me in my back. Sister, what you are doing? You need to come this side. Give me your hand. Come over here. No, go away. Leave me alone. I am tired. I need to have a shower now. Wallahi, I am not joking. Sister, you don't even have shampoo. You're not jumping. What do you mean? No, I don't want to. I already use shampoos and conditioner already. Don't tell me what to do. Because, Habibti, if you come with me my room, I give you ice cream chocolate. Ice cream, you know what is this? Of course I know what is ice cream. It's stupid. It's my favorite. Oh, sorry. Yalla, yalla, Habibti. Give me your hand. Let's come. Is enough. Is people gonna come looking at us? They think you are crazy. Give me your hand. Okay. You give me ice cream, okay? Okay, Habibti. Yalla, put one foot up again. We do last time. Yabba! What you are doing, stupid? Hold it.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content and updates.